How to open JP Morgan bank account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can open a JP Morgan bank account online. To do so, first of all, you will need to either download the authentic JP Morgan application on your mobile device, or if you want to use the official website, then you can go to jpmorganchase.com on any of your web browser. Here I have already downloaded the application, so I'm using the application here. Open your application on your device, and once you open it, here you will need to accept the terms and conditions of this platform. Tap on the accept button at the bottom, and then here you will need to access the device location. Choose while using this app option, and now here you'll be able to see two different options, whether to sign in or sign up. Since we are creating a new account, tap on the sign up button right here, and then you will be presented with this page. Here you will need to now select the account type. Tap on it, and from here select the type of account, whether you are creating personal, business, or both personal and business account. Once after selecting it, now in the second field here you will need to enter either your account number or debit or credit card number. If in case you don't find your account number, you may also tap on this can't find your account number link just below the field, and then from there you'll need to follow the prompts in order to find your account number. After entering the account number here, scroll a bit down and then enter your social security number. Make sure to enter it correctly. Once after doing that, you will also need to add a username for your account. Make sure your username contains all the requirements presented at the bottom. Once after entering all of these details, tap on the next button right here, and then you will be taken to the next step now. In order to verify your identity, in the next step, you will need to upload identification documents such as government issued photo ID, driving license, password, or proof of your address. You will need to fill in all of the details until the very end, and then in the next step, you may require an initial deposit based on your account type. You will need to review all the information you have entered carefully, and once everything is correct, you can submit your application. After submitting, you should receive a confirmation email regarding your application status, and if it is approved, you will receive further instructions on how to access your new account. So, by following these steps, you should be able to create an account on JP Morgan Bank. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.